Good morning, friends. All of you know about the sales of liquor resumed basing on the order of the May 1st by the, of course, with the concurrence of the central government. Almost all the states, except the tri-states, they have started sale of liquor. Already, due to the corona or COVID-19 pandemic, the social distancing being observed, and even we are still in the lockdown period, and it is extended up to 17th of May. So normally only a limited time is given right from morning 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and only in rural areas, certain shops like agriculture, all these things, operations, certain shops are being opened in towns. We can't go out. Of course, on May 1st itself, the central government has graded the areas like in the zonal wise, red zone, green zone and orange zone. Of course, green zone is safe, orange zone a little bit danger, and red zone totally containment area, nobody is allowed to move. So these are the sort of things, but they are allowed the sale of liquor. So on the very first day and second day, we have seen very dancing attitude of the liquor interested people, and they have actually celebrated the sale of liquor, the purchase of liquor. Of course, some of the governments, they wanted to enhance the rates, but still there is no lessening of the rush. The rush continued for days together. Of course, the public interested people, they started filing petitions in the different courts. Yesterday, the Tamil Nadu High Court, Madras High Court, they have asked the TASMAC, that is telling the Tamil Nadu state government, to stop selling of liquor with a social distance. So they have to observe social distance, therefore better you stop it and think of online sales or home delivery, because direct contact sales is dangerous. Therefore, a public spirited person by name Guruswami Nataraj, he filed a petition in the Supreme Court against the order of the center allowing direct contact sales of liquor. But you know what happened? The 3 judges bench, so left to the discretion of the states, of course, and with an advisory. The advisory is that the states may create a mechanism for online sale or home delivery of the liquor, because it is an administrative order. It is an order of the center or state governments. Normally, please remember, the courts will not interfere with the administrative orders of the states. Of course, if it is against to law, definitely they will say that the so-called circular is ultra virus, all these things. But when once it is given by the center, that too, sale of liquor, it is in the state subject, normally they will not interfere. So please, here the Supreme Court, what said is, it shall be open for the state governments to consider non-direct sale, including online sale, home delivery, to facilitate social distancing. You might have seen in some states, even in the Telangana area also, the Superintendent of Police, they have actually insisted for coming there with mask along with an umbrella. Of course, the umbrella naturally provides the so-called social distancing, but mobs are thronging. Even for when the shops are open in Andhra, people in the neighboring areas, Tamil Nadu and also Telangana, they used to rush into our shops and for procuring the so-called liquor. So that is the fate. So they have categorized the petitioner through his advocate, Mr. Sai Deepak, and also Anindita Mitra. They said there are about 70,000 liquor shops in the entire nation, and 5 crores of people, they have already purchased the liquor. So therefore, once they purchase liquor, when they drink, normally domestic violence is increasing, murders are taking place, once again people are falling down, and the increase of COVID-19 is also being observed. So therefore, please remember, they have once again cautioned, they have represented the court, the nationwide lockdown, at least it has blunted the virus graph. Yes, definitely. There is a decrease in the virus incidence, but the liquor sale would hamper the infection. Once again, the graph will go up. So, therefore, the fight against the COVID infection may become dangerous. So, the fight may not be successful. Therefore, the petitioner requested for prohibition till the National Disaster Management Agency. They declares that the state India is out of the grip of the so-called contagion COVID-19. So till such time, please impose the prohibition. So please, dismiss the May 1st order of the central government. This is the request or petition of Guruswamy Nataraj. But the Supreme Court did not agree. So anyway, so they have asked the states to consider the alternate mechanism. The alternate mechanism only either online. Of course, you may be knowing online platforms are there. Zomato or the so-called Swiggy people, they are coming. They will be very happy to supply the drinks. And I came to know, we have seen, actually that boy was arrested. A Zomato boy, he was preparing illicit liquor and he was happily supplying the same to the customers, and he was caught recently in Andhra Pradesh. I don't know, so many incidents will definitely be reported. Anyway, the Supreme Court did not come to the rescue of the prohibition. Instead, it has advised the states to reconsider or to consider the issue of online sale or home delivery, right? But the problem is definitely the domestic violence increases. Anyway, it's an administrative action. Even the judiciary cannot interfere at this stage. So this is regarding the public interest litigation. Actually, it's a petition. So many public interest litigations have been filed. Even Tamil Nadu, Madras High Court, it has banned the direct sales of the liquor, and it has asked the TASMAC to sell the so-called liquor through online. So this is what is happening. Thank you.